So guys, I need to transfer this bitter melon to here. Okay, so that's all the bitter melon, as you can see. Yep, that's all bitter melon. I hope you will see that, guys. Okay, so it's time to transfer them one by one. Okay, so I got in here, how many I got in here? 3. So let's remove this to the big one, and then over here also, guys, as you can see, because I put 3 in here, so let's remove this. Just slowly, guys, slowly and only. Oh wow, you will see that. So a lot of roots now, so I need to separate this two, guys. Okay, because it's already big. And then we need to put the other one back. Okay, because it's too small, it's too little. So I got over here, I'm gonna that over here, so temporary only. Wait a minute, guys. So I'm gonna put that back. It's too small, not yet ready, guys. Okay, and then next, this one, as you can see, it's huge now, and then a lot of roots. Wait. Okay, guys, so let's continue. So I'm gonna put this in here, this one, as you can see, it's a lot of roots now. So let's take some you put this in here. Nope, we can't do that. We need to remove the some of the soil, guys. Let's try. I'm gonna try my own. So I did slowly only, as you can see. You'll see, guys. Excuse me. So we got one down. Ta-dang! One down. Yay! Good job. Next, this one. As you can see, yeah, that's better melon, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put that over here. Let's do it again. Looks like I didn't put in the middle. That's odd. That's okay. So let's put this. Okay. Slowly but surely. Yay! So it's done. Dang! So yan na. So next, guys, I got 3 more in here. So not yet totally. Okay. So let's remove some of this in here, guys. As you can see, they got 3. Yeah, I think 3. But this one, let's remove this. Let's remove this big one so we can transfer this in here. I think only 1 in here. So some of it, guys, is not yet sprouting. So only this one. So did you see this? Okay, we need to transfer that over here. Alright, so what do we need to do? We need to dig some hole. Dig some hole. Okay, next, so let's put this inside in a hole. Oops, wait, it's not yet done. Not yet totally done. Okay. Yay! Okay, 3 is transferred. Okay, so we got one another. So let's put that over here. Then these 2. Let's put this over here too, guys. So I want everybody to see what I'm doing. Okay, ayan. Alright, so next is this one, guys. We need to transfer this because it's big. And then some of it is still a little bit. Okay, as you can see, over here they got 2 in one pot. And over this one also. Okay, but we need to remove this first. Alright, let's do it. As you can see, guys, look at that. Right, look at that. Yeah, and then a lot of roots now. So let's do it again. It's the same routine. Dig some hole over here. Sorry, easy. So again, sorry guys, I'm not a left-handed, you know. So that's my routine, guys. So now, okay, yay, look at that. So some of it is still in here, guys, as you can see. Yeah, they're still growing. They got this one and they got 4 leaves now already, so we can transfer this because they got 4 leaves already. And yeah, we got still one more. Just gonna put that over here. And this one, I think this one, I don't know, or this one. We need to transfer this, guys. It's so big now already. So this is slowly, as you can see. Tarang! So let's do it again. It's the same routine. I got one left. I didn't do a lot, guys, okay, because I'm wait, it's not totally deeper. I need to do deeper, guys, so deeper. We need the roots to get stronger. Okay, so we do deeper because I just add some water in here, guys. Okay, so done. So the water, guys, is in here, inside of this in here, as you can see. Right, as you can see, it's just like that. So I put the water in here only. Okay, so it's easy. Then oopsie, I'm going to check some of this in here, guys. So it's still not yet sprouting. Okay, so I think, guys, that's it for today. Okay, for our bitter melon. And thank you for watching. Bye.